Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Recently, my friend Regina asked me for a recommendation for a wok that she should buy. The wok that I recommend to her is the Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. This is my everyday wok, and I have used this wok for the past 5 years. She is now waiting for her wok to be delivered, and it should arrive in the next couple of days. Regina is an accomplished cook. However, her experience in cooking with a wok is relatively limited. I believe that she probably would have some questions for me on different aspects of the wok. Therefore, I make this video to cover some of the frequently asked questions. A FAQ for new wok users. I would like to see this useful for her to get started, and also for viewers who might just got a new wok, particularly a stainless steel wok. So question number 1, why stainless steel wok? There are 4 reasons that I like stainless steel wok. Number 1 is that it is easy to maintain, and number 2 that is that it will not rust. And number 3, it's very easy to clean. And number 4, it is durable as well as it is aesthetically pleasing. Question number 2, is stainless steel good for heat transfer? Stainless steel is not the best in turn it comes to heat transfer, as well as provide even heating in comparison to other type of wok material such as carbon steel or cast iron. And in fact, the best heat transfer material is aluminum and copper. So one strategy to improve the heat transfer ability of stainless steel is to incorporate aluminum in the middle of 2 layers of stainless steel. As shown here, you'll notice that there is a layer of aluminum incorporated between the 2 layers of stainless steel. And this heat transfer ability will be further improved by incorporating 2 layers of aluminum into 3 layers of stainless steel. Now, as you can see here, in this frying pan, the entire body of the frying pan is made out of this construction. In the Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok, only the bottom surface of the wok is incorporated with aluminum. The advantage of this feature is that it makes the wok lighter. Nevertheless, this will not affect the cooking function of the wok, because during stir fry, all the action takes place in the bottom surface of the wok, with the contents being stirred constantly. So based on my personal experience, the construction of this wok do not affect its function. Question number 3, what kind of burners that I could use with this stainless steel wok? You can use any burners that are commonly found in home kitchen. This include gas, electric coil, flat top electric, and induction. I have used my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok in all these 4 types of burners. With some minor adjustment, they all work very well. Question number 4, what kind of spatula could I use with this wok? With this wok, you can use a stainless steel wok spatula. A stainless steel wok spatula is designed specifically for stir frying, and it makes the process more efficient as well as more pleasurable. The stainless steel wok spatula will not damage the surface of the wok, but it will leave some minor scratch marks. This scratch mark would not affect the functionality of the wok, and it also will not affect the appearance of the wok. The wok can still keep shiny and spotless. This is what the wok looks like that after I have been using it for 3 years every day. Question number 4, can a stainless steel wok be readily seasoned? To create a non-stick cooked surface. The answer is definitely yes. In fact, season a stainless steel wok is quite simple using my spot seasoning method as shown in this video. And you can take a look at this video to learn more about how the seasoning process actually works. This method is simple and straightforward. It takes about 15 minutes each time before you start to cook to create a non-stick cook surface so that you can fry an egg without having it stick to the bottom of the wok. And using this method, you can cook an egg omelette with no problem at all. Nevertheless, this method is not foolproof because the seasoning on the surface of the wok is a dynamic process. So occasionally, depending on what you cook, things could stick and burn to the bottom of the wok. However, it is easy to clean using a method which I call it spot cleaning, or frequently known as deglazing, that you use water while the wok is being heated up. You can easily use the wok spatula to detach them, which could be very, very difficult to clean if you just try to clean it in the sink. With this method, when you take it to the sink with your wok brush, you can have the wok cleaned in 30 seconds. Question number 6. How do I clean my wok? And one thing I really like about stainless steel wok is that it is very easy to clean and maintain. I have used this wok for over 5 years, and I am able to maintain this wok clean and spotless without any stain on the surface of the wok. To me, this is what I like about stainless steel cookware. I clean this wok in 2 stages. The first, I use a Primera wok brush. I really like the size of this wok brush, and it fits the contour of the wok. With its generous size, I can clean the wok in 10 or 15 seconds under running water without any problem. For any remaining stain, I use a Scotch-Brite scrubbing sponge. Again, it takes about 30 seconds to remove them. I do not wash the wok with soap or detergent because I don't think it is necessary. But that is something definitely you could do. Because you could easily re-season the wok with the spot seasoning method each time before you cook. Question 7. What other uses can you have with this wok? First and foremost is that because this wok has all stainless steel construction, including the handles, you can use this wok in the oven. The cover of the wok is also oven proof, but it is rated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have used the wok in the oven for many different baking purposes, including baking bread. For example, you can also use the wok for boiling water. In this case, it is very useful to use the wok to make pasta noodles. The wide opening of the wok makes it very easy to manipulate the noodles while you are boiling them. The wok is also great for shallow frying, as in this case, I'm frying some potatoes. You can also use the wok for deep frying. As in this case, I'm using the wok to deep fry some tempura. The bowl shape of the wok allows you to control the amount of oil that you want to put in, just enough for the items that you're going to fry. This wok has a relatively large flat surface area, so you can use it like a small frying pan, and in this case, I'm frying some hamburgers. And it is also very convenient if you are hungry for some grilled cheese sandwich, and this wok will do the same job. Again, this wok is very flexible. When it becomes necessary, you can use the wok to cook some French toast as well. And of course, you can also use the wok to make an omelette for breakfast or for late night snack. The wok also makes an excellent steamer because it already comes with a cover. All you need to do is to put a steam rack, and then you put a plate on top of the rack, and you put whatever food ingredients that you want to steam, and you add water to the wok, and with the cover, now you have a steamer all ready for you to use. And if you like to steam more food to enhance the capacity of your steaming, you can get a bamboo steam rack, and many of them comes with 2 layers. You can use the steam basket in a single layer configuration, or you can add the other layer on top of it. That will greatly enhance the capacity of what you can steam. And of course, in this case, you do not need to use the cover that comes with the wok. However, the cover is very handy when you want to make some popcorn. So you can see that this wok has many different cooking functions that can take care of most of the cooking needs that in your kitchen. And it is the multifunctionality of this wok. In addition to its role in stir frying, it can do many other things. For a 14-inch wok, this wok is the lightest on the market. I can easily move the wok with one hand and make it very convenient when I want to transfer food from one place to the other. And my friend Dan, his 78-year-old father is looking to purchase a wok, and he wants something relatively light, and I think this wok will work for him. I post a video every day to explain and demonstrate my fast cooking system, which include flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, so that they can make home cooking as their daily routine as an alternative to fast and processed food. This way they will eat food not only healthy for them, but also the type of food that they love. I believe that this is not only important at the personal level, but also at the societal as well as environmental level. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.